In this video, we will discuss exercise 15.1, chapter probability, NCERT book, class 10 mathematics. The question number 1, complete the following statements. Here 5 questions are here. You have to write the answer in the blanks. Probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E equal to dash. We already know the probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E equal to 1. Second one, the probability of an event that cannot happen is dash. Such an event is called dash. So the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. There is no chance to occur. So in that case, the probability is 0 and such an event we called as impossible event. And third one, the probability of an event that cannot happen is dash. Third one, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is dash. Such an event is called dash. This already discussed in the previous video. So the answer is 1 and that event is called certain event or sure event. And fourth one, the sum of the probability of all elementary event of an experiment is 1. And fifth one, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to and less than or equal to dash. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. And in question number 2, which of the following experiment have equally likely outcomes, and explain. A driver attempt to start a car. The car start or does not start. So it is an activity. So we have to find out whether the outcomes are equally likely or not. So this statement does not have equally likely outcomes, as the car may or may not start depending upon the various factors. Suppose fuels are not there, or suppose engine is not in working condition. In that case, the car will not start. So there is no equal chance to start or not start. So we can say this activity, so we can say these outcomes are not equally likely. And second one, a player attempt to shoot a basketball and she shoot or miss the shot. So here two outcomes are there. One is shoot the shot or second one is miss the shot. This is also not have equally likely outcomes, as the player may shoot or miss the shot. Suppose the player is not experienced or not a good player, he may not shoot the ball. So we cannot say that there is equal chance to shoot or miss the shot. So this is an equally likely outcomes. And the third one, a trial is made a solution, a true or false question. The solution is right or wrong. So clearly there is only two outcomes are here. One is right or wrong. So in a question there is equal chance to get a right answer or wrong answer. So that this statement has equally likely outcomes. It is known that solution is either right or wrong. And then fourth one, a baby is born, it is a boy or a girl. So there is only two chances. If a baby is born, it is either a boy or girl. So this statement also has equally likely outcome, as it is known that the newly born baby can either be a boy or a girl. Now we move to question number 3. Why tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of the football game? So tossing a coin, it is a random experiment. So tossing a coin is a fair way of deciding because the number of possible outcomes are only 2. There are only two outcomes, they are head or tail. Since these two outcomes are equally likely outcomes, for tossing is unpredictable and is considered to be completely unbiased. So tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of a football game. And the fourth question, which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? So here some probabilities are given. First one 2 by 3, second one minus 1.5, third one 15%, fourth one 0.7. And we know the probability of an event is always lies between 0 and 1. So from the above options, here option B minus 1.5, it cannot be the probability of an event. Probability of an event cannot be negative. It is always positive and lies between 0 and 1. So minus 1.5 cannot be the probability of the given event. And one more question we will discuss in this video, that is question number 5. Probability of an E equal to 0.05, and what is the probability of not E? So here we can use the result. Probability of E plus probability of not E equal to 1. So it is given probability of E equal to 0.05 and probability of not E equal to 1 minus probability of E. And put the value, that is probability of not E equal to 1 minus 0.05, that is equal to 0.95. So I hope these questions are clear. If there is any doubt, you can send the message. Thank you for watching this video.